Saturday, September 24th, 2022. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm wondering what the day will bring. Welcome to my day in the life with the iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Back home again. 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 Back home again for summer. Back home again. Back home again. Summer's gone now. There's something wrong. No birds singing that summer song. Oh, Mother Nature has her own plans.
Here's up, you guys. Not seen here. Now, welcome to my day in the life with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how the 14 Pro Max holds up with moderate to heavy use. So I'm going to be doing things like playing games, recording video, taking pictures, and everything else that the average person would do on their phone. So if you guys do enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what phone you want me to do next. Now, today is a very chill and adventurous day. The first thing that I want to do is go to the park and work out. Then after that, I want to go get something to eat. Then after that, I want to go to the movies. And last but not least, I want to go back home and catch up on some shows on my 14 Pro Max. But before I leave, let's take some quick pics. So now that I was able to get my morning routine out of the way, I was able to leave my house so that I could be able to make it to the park and continue with my workout. And while I was waiting for the elevator, I decided to check my phone, and right now it's 11:26 a.m. and I have 100% battery left, which was a pretty good way to start the day. I had a full tank of gas and was well rested enough to start the day. Alright, you guys, so now I'm in the car and I'm ready to go to the park. And just so you guys know, I'm going to be playing music and using the GPS to show how the battery holds up. And just so we can see how it truly holds up, I'm not going to be connecting it to the charger. Now, the park was in Porter Ranch, which wasn't too far. The drive from my house to Porter Ranch was about 19 minutes with no traffic, which was pretty good. I was also going to be playing music and using GPS while I drive. And again, I want to see what the percentage is when I get there. Now, I got to the park at 12:10 p.m. and my battery was at 97%, which means that I lost 3% worth of battery, and I want to see what my battery will look like after recording my workout. All right, you guys, so now I'm here at the park, and basically I'm going to be recording videos, I'm going to be taking pictures, and I'm going to be on my phone for a little while I'm taking a break. But the main thing I'm going to be doing is testing out the battery and camera to show you guys how the 14 Pro Max holds up. So all of the footage of me working out is actually from the 14 Pro Max, but I'm not going to waste you guys' time, so let's get right into it.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me.
Now, after I got done hooping at the park, I decided to chill and regain some stamina since it was extremely hot outside. Now, after I got done my workout, I decided to relax for a little and play with my 14 Pro Max. And when I was on it, I decided to go to Instagram and check my timeline, check up on my Twitter feed, and even catch up on some YouTube videos. And while I was doing all that, I played music to not only enjoy the vibe of the day, but also to see how much strain it put on the battery. And I ended up chilling for a while before I decided to get up and get some food. So now that I was done chilling, it was time for me to head over to In-N-Out to get something to eat. And when I got to the car, it was 1:48 p.m. and my battery was at 75%, which means that I lost over 20% worth of battery since my last time checking. In-N-Out was also 5 minutes away, which wasn't too bad, and it helped that there was no traffic. Now I got to the spot at 2:17 p.m. and my battery was at 69%, which means that I lost 6% since my last check. All right, you guys, so now I'm here and I'm not gonna lie, In-N-Out is too packed right now, so I don't even want to be bothered with it. But luckily for me, right next to In-N-Out is TGI Fridays, and we're gonna go in here and get some food. Now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking pictures, I'm gonna be recording a little bit, but mainly I'm gonna be scrolling up on social media, and I'm going to be watching YouTube videos. Basically, I'm going to be taking pictures in here to show you guys how the camera does in that environment. And I'm also going to be running up the screen time to show you how the battery life holds up. So let's get right to it. Now, while I was waiting for my food, I decided to scroll through Twitter some more and watch more YouTube to rack up more on-screen time. I also like that it had pretty good speakers, so the whole experience was pretty nice. Now, after I got done eating, the time was 3:24 p.m. and my battery was at 54%, meaning that I lost 15% since my last check. All right, you guys, so now that I went to go get something to eat, the next thing I want to do is go by Best Buy, and I want to get the Apple Watch Ultra. But also, while I'm in there, I'm going to take some pics and show you guys around. And the Best Buy is across the street, so it should be quick. So let's go right to it. All right, you guys, so unfortunately they don't have them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna look around, take some pics, you know, just show off the camera. You know, I'm gonna browse and I'm just look for it another day. even though I'm not able to get it, this is what it looks like. It's pretty bulky. All right, you guys, so again, we just roamed around and now I'm about to go to the movies. I did pick up something. It's like a little package, but it's cool. Now, after I got done roaming around Best Buy, I got back to my car at 4:15 p.m. and my battery was at 45%, which means that I lost 9% since my last check. And the movie theater was close by, so I should be able to make the movie in time, and I left to go there at 4:30 p.m. Now, I got to the movie theater at 4:43 p.m. and my battery is at 42%, which means that I lost 3% since my last check. All right, you guys, so now I'm here at the movies, and basically what I'm going to be doing is seeing how the battery holds up on standby time. And basically standby time means that, you know, your phone is not technically on, but you know, you're getting notifications, you know, people are texting you, and basically your battery is getting used up to an extent. So the movie that I'm going to see is Bullet Train, and it's about like, I think 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we're going to see how the battery is after that movie. Now the time is 4:52 p.m. and my battery is at 39%, and we're gonna see what 2 hours of standby time does to the battery.
2,000 years later.
Now I got out of the movie at 7:07 p.m. and my battery is at 34%, which means that I lost 5% worth of battery. Now when I got back to the car, I checked my 14 Pro Max and the battery was at 32%, and I was 20 minutes away from home, so we'll see how much strain it puts on it. Now I got back to the house at 7:52 p.m. and my battery was at 25%, which means that I lost 7% worth of battery. So now it's time to head back home. Now the time is 8:34 p.m. and my battery is at 21%, and we're gonna see what watching 3 videos does to the battery. Now my final time is at 10:22 p.m. and my final battery percentage is at 13%, with my final on-screen time being 8 hours and 13 minutes. And alright, you guys, thank you for watching my day in the life with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now if I'm being honest, just like the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has an amazing battery. And just like when I was testing it out before, I was able to last all day with no problems. And if you are thinking about getting the 14 Pro Max, then this is the way to go. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.